नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, माझं नाव काकासाहेब जाधव. मी ज्ञानप्रकाश विद्यामंदिर औरंगाबाद या शाळेत सहशिक्षक आहे. आतापर्यंतच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इंडायसेस अँड क्यूब रूट या चॅप्टरचा प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 बघितला आहे आणि आताच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण याच प्रकरणाचा राहिलेला भाग बघणार आहोत. स्टुडंट्स, in the last practice set we had studied that the index in the form of 1 upon n. Now in this video we are going to study the index of a number is in the form of m upon n. This is a and its index is m upon n, where m upon n is known as the rational number. While representing or reading this number in this form, the numerator is considered as the power and the denominator of the index is considered as the root. Numerator is power and denominator is considered as root. In this, m is a numerator. We read this, it is a mth power, and n is the denominator. We read this as a nth root. Okay. So this a to the power m upon n is written into two ways. First one is that a to the power m to the power 1 upon n. We read this that is nth root of mth power of a. We read this nth root of mth power of a. And in second way, a to the power 1 upon n to the power m means we read this mth root of mth power of nth root of a. Mth power of nth root of a. M is at numerator, so we read it as a power, and n is at denominator, we read it as a root. Okay. Now we see the practice set 3.2. Just see the question number 1. Complete the following table. We had completed that. So we see this. The first one is, it is given as 225 to the power 3 upon 2. Students, when we see this, 3 as a numerator, and 2 as a denominator, means 3 is a power, and 2 is root. So there are two ways power to read this number: power of the root or root of the power. When we start from power, then we read this 3 is a power, so it is cube of square root of 225. Cube of square root of 225. Now the second, the square root of cube of, second is square root of cube of 225. Square root of cube of 225. Okay. Now the second example, that is the 445 to the power 4 by 5. So from power to the root, power is 4, so we start from 4. Fourth power of fifth root of 45. Fourth power of fifth root of 45. And in another way, we read this fifth root of fourth power of 45. Fifth root of fourth power of 45. Okay. Now the third example, 81 to the power 6 upon 7. We read this sixth power of, this is power and this is root. Sixth power of seventh root of 81. Power to root. Power of the root, that is sixth power of seventh root of 81. And other than this, seventh root of sixth power of 81. Seventh root of sixth power of 81. Okay. Now the next example, that is the 100 to the power 4 upon 10. How we can read this? We read this, the power is 4 and root is 10. Fourth power of 10th root of 100. Fourth power of 10th root of 100. And another way, we read this, 10th root of fourth power of 100. 10th root of fourth power of 100. And the last one is that is 21 to the power 3 upon 7. Then third power of seventh root of 21. This is the power of root. And then root of the power, we start from root. Which is the root? Seventh root. So seventh root of cube of 21, or seventh root of third power of 21. In this way, we can read and write this index form number in the words. Okay. See this. Cube of square root of 225. Square root of cube of 225. Now second one, fourth power of fifth root of 45. Fifth root of fourth power of 45, like this. Now we go for the next question, and the question is, that is second question of this practice set 3.2, and the question is that write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. Opposite to that, the first question. In first question, the examples are given into the form of rational indices and we write them in this form. Now this is the opposite. When we see the first example, square root of fifth power of 121. So friends, that is the square root, means the root is 2 and power is 5. Root is taken at the denominator, power is taken at numerator, means the index of this 121 is becomes 121 becomes power is 5 and denominator root is square root, means second root. We write this 121 to the power 5 by 2. 121 to the power 5 by 2. Okay. Now the second question is cube of fourth root of 324. Cube of fourth root of, cube means the power is 3. Fourth root means denominator of that rational index is 4. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 4, means 3 to the power 324 to the power 3 upon 4. 3 is a cube and fourth root means 4 at denominator. Now we take the third example And third example is fifth root of square of 264. We take 264 at first, square, and the fifth root. Fifth root means 5 is taken at root means at denominator of the index, and square means the power is 2. So 264 to the power 2 upon 5. And last example is cube root of 3. Cube root of 3. See here, 3 is a number. 3. Cube of 3 means to the power 3. Cube root means the denominator is also 3. So 3 to the power 3 upon 3. Okay. In this way, our practice set 3.2 get completed. Now we will continue for the practice set 3.3. Before that, we have to explain the term that is cube. What is cube? We had studied that square is if a number is taken 2 times in multiplication, then that product is square of that number. Similarly, what is cube? If a number is written 3 times, and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of that number. So what is cube? If cube means if a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product means their multiplication is known as the cube of that number. For example, we have to consider the first example, 5 into 5, that is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 is taken 3 times means 5 to the power 3, and the value is 125. Hence 125 is a cube of 5. 125 is a cube of 5. Similarly, we take the second example, and that is minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. Minus 7 is taken 3 times in multiplication means minus 7 to the power 3, and the value of this is minus 343. Hence minus 343 is a cube of minus 7. Minus 343 is a cube of minus 7. In this way, we calculate or we find the cube of any number. Then cube of negative number is negative. You remember this. The cube of any negative number is negative. Now, the practice set 3.3. The question number 1 is find the cube roots of the following numbers. Find the cube roots of the following numbers. The first number is 8000. Students, we have to write this 8000 as 8 into 1000. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, and 1000 is written as 10 into 10 into 10. Means 2 into 2 into 2 is a cube of 2, and 10 into 10 is cube of 10. Means 2 into 10, 20. cube of 20. So cube root of 8000 is equals to 20. Okay. Now the second example is, that is 729. 729. 729 is written as 9 into 81, and 81 is factorized as 729 is written as 9 into 81, and this 81 is split into 9 into 9. Means what happened? 729 equals to 9 into 9 into 9, means 9 cube. So when we take the cube root, then the cube get cancelled. Hence cube root of 729 is 9. Cube of 729 is 9. Now this is our question number, second example in the question first. Now the third example in the question number first, that is 343. Okay, see this 343 is factorized as 7 into 49. Again 49 is split into 7 into 7, means 343 is written as 7 into 7 into 7. 7 is 3 times, means that is 7 cube. So 343 is equals to 7 cube. When we take the cube root of 343, then it is 7. Okay, so cube root of 343 is 7. Now we take the fourth one example of the same question, that is minus 512. At first we have to factorize 512. 512 is written as 2 into 256. Again this 256 is written as 2 into 128. 128 is again written as 2 into 64, and this 64 is written as 4 into 16. 16 is written as 4 into 4, means 2 into 256, 2 into 2 into 128. In this way we have to factorize this 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 into 4 into 4, means 2 is 3 times and 4 is again 3 times. That is 3 times 2 means 2 cube. 3 times 2 cube means 2 cube, and 4 times 4, 3 times 4 means 4 cube. 2 4s are 8. This is total is written as 8 cube. Okay, 8 cube. But minus 512 is equals to minus 8 cube. So cube root of minus 512 is minus 8. Okay. Now the question number 5, minus 2744. This 2744 is factorized as, it is factorized as 2 into 7 cube. 2 into 7 cube, and it is equals to 7 to the 14 cube, that is 14 cube. Hence we write this minus 2744 is minus 14 cube, and cube root of this is equals to minus 14, is equals to minus 14. Now the question number 2, of this, that is simplify. Simplify means we have to write them in the simplest form. The first one is that cube root of 27 upon 125. This 27 is written as 3 into 3 into 3 means cube of 3. 27 is a cube of 3. 125 is written as 5 into 5 into 5 means cube of 5. Cube root of 27 upon 125 is equals to cube root of 3 cube upon 5 cube. Cube root of cube and cube root get cancelled. So cube root of cube of 3 is 3 and cube root of cube of 5 is 5. Means the cube root of 27 upon 125 is equals to 3 upon 5. Now the second example. The second example is cube root of 16 upon 54. 16 upon 54 is written as 16 is written as 8 into 2 and 54 is written as 27 into 2. 2 upon 2 1. So 8 upon 27, but we know that friends 8 is a cube of 2 and 27 is a cube of 3 means 2 cube upon 3 cube. Cube root of 16 upon 54 is equals to cube root of cube of 2 upon cube of 3. Then what happen? The cube root and the cube get cancelled. So that is 2 upon 3. Okay. Now come across the question number 3. If, what is the question number 3? If cube root of 729 is 9. Cube root of 729 is 9. Then cube root of 0.00079 is equals to how much? Means we have to find the cube root of this number. Cube root of this number. So this is written as 729 divided by 10 lakh. Why? How many digits are there after decimal? 6 digits. So we take 6 zeros. Means cube root of 7 upon 29. Cube root of 729 upon 10 lakh. We know that 729 is cube of 9. Means cube root of 729 is 9 and cube root of 10 lakh is 100. Means we get the cube root of this total number is 9 upon 100. That is 9 upon 100. When we simplify this, 9 upon 100, then we get 0.09. Hence, the cube root of 0.00079 is 0.09. Okay, in this way, this chapter indices and cube root is complete now.